Wanna learn how to enable ghost mode on your Snapchat? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. I have already installed Snapchat app on my phone. You can also go to your App Store or Play Store and download it simultaneously. When you're done, you can tap on Snapchat and get logged in just like me. Now, tap on this profile icon on the top left corner. Tap on this gear icon on the top right corner. Scroll down. Tap on this sharing location with my friends. You can see there's an option of ghost mode on the top, and you can see that when a ghost mode is enabled, your friends can't see your location. So if you want to make your location private and want to enable this ghost mode, all you have to do now is tap on the sliding bar on the right corner next to ghost mode. And even you can choose a duration, that if you want to make it for 3 hours, 24 hours, or until turn off. So I'm going to tap on until turn off. You can choose of your own. So this is how you do it. Now your friends won't be able to see your location. So I hope this video is really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.